Have you been dumped recently? Do you want to make her regret that decision? If so, you're in the right place. This can be a painful time for most men, and we understand that. However, you can turn things around. We know she didn't give you a solid reason for leaving, but you can give her a good reason to regret her decision. It's time to channel your inner alpha. Let the lions caged in your heart out. You will make her regret her own decision. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make her beg for your love, asterisk asterisk. Number 8. Stop giving her attention. The first step in making her regret is to stop giving her undeserved attention. If you do, she will only keep you in the friend zone all year. This way, all you'll get is humiliation. So, don't give her any attention. Doing so would humiliate you, as well as your values and opinions. There's nothing worse than being rejected when you honestly express your viewpoint. People will think you're a man who couldn't stand up for himself. It's even better if you're in a situation where you both have to see each other regularly. Stop talking to her and giving her attention. No matter what she does, just show her that she doesn't matter in your world. Of course, you can maintain professional relationships, but be very careful. Don't let her believe that you're a man still in love with her. Don't do her any favors if she asks. These are just a few things to watch out for. Number 7. Become invisible. Try to become invisible in front of her. By invisible, we don't mean preparing a magic potion. We mean cutting off all contact. Don't talk to her. Don't reply to her texts. Don't respond to her messages. Don't let her take control. If she asks to meet, don't go. Go incognito. Create gaps in the information about you. Let the mystery play its role. She used to spend a lot of time with you. Now, she will want to know what you're doing. She will try to contact you to see how you are. You must ensure that none of this information reaches her. Do everything you can to become invisible in her eyes. You could go on a trip for a month or 2. If you can't afford it, join a monastery. Become a monk and take a break from your social activities. But this is only temporary, to prevent you from doing something embarrassing. Number 6. Strive for perfection. Don't sit on your couch sulking. Don't be sad about this situation. So what if she left you? So what if you're alone? See the situation positively. Becoming a better person is the best way to make your ex regret leaving you. Use that negative energy to create something beneficial for yourself. Adopt a healthier lifestyle. Try to go to the gym from time to time. Get back in shape. Take this opportunity to become more attractive. And if you're single, don't hesitate to subscribe to dating apps. Now that you have much more time, you can also make money. Try to invest in more important things. Invest your money in something beneficial. Work even harder and put in extra hours. Go out to expensive restaurants and enjoy life as best as you can. You're young and healthy. You don't have time to waste your life being sad in your home. Number 5. Date someone sexier. The best thing to do is to date a woman who is more attractive than she is. Once you become a better version of yourself, you will start to see changes. It's understandable that high-value men attract high-value women. They are in high demand and extremely beautiful. When you improve yourself, you attract better attention from women. When you see a woman who is sexier than your ex, go for her. Try to talk to her. It's even better if you try to talk to her in front of your ex. Nothing could be more devastating for her. When she realizes that many women are after you, she will see that she lost a true gem. She lost a real prize because other women see value in you. Number 4. Enjoy life more. Ask yourself what you gain by staying home. What do you gain by drowning in your sorrow? The answer is nothing. You won't gain anything by acting this way. What you need to do now is enjoy life. Understand that now you have no limits. You can catch up on all the series you missed. You can play all the video games that were off limits. Just try to live more. Enjoy more. Previously, when you were in a relationship, you couldn't enjoy what you could have done if you were alone. Every time you did something fun, she would call you. She would ask you to come cuddle. While that was enjoyable for a moment, you started missing your hobbies. So, start getting back into them. Try to spend your time on something that helps you. Invest your time in something that brings you satisfaction. Number 3. Show off in front of the right people. You need to show off in front of the right people. Things can go wrong if you show off in front of the wrong person. For example, many men break up and start showing off in front of their exes. This is a serious mistake they should avoid. Showing off in front of your ex should be subtle. Don't openly tell her everything you've accomplished after the breakup. Of course, that might be enough. We understand you think there's nothing better than that. However, let us tell you something that will taste even better. Every time you achieve something, post it on your social media. Make your Instagram accessible to as many people as possible. Show off your gains and accomplishments. Show off the travels you've done after the breakup. Show off right in her face, because she will think that her departure has affected you significantly, which is why you're being petty and showing off all those achievements in front of her. Number 2, don't idolize her. This is very important if you want her to regret leaving you. This mindset can solve almost all your problems. Most men get trapped in this sense of worthlessness. They think she's the most beautiful girl in the world. They think she was the right one for them. The truth is far from that. She would never have left you if she were the right person. The right person supports you even in hard times. The right person will stand by you no matter what.